everyone, this is Ying Coyle, Matt Coyle, we're the team Coyle. Hi Matt, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, Ying. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. So today we're gonna have a market recap for Wellesley real estate market. We're gonna focus on the January numbers. Matt.
Good. Well, I think the market activity has been pretty good so far this year.
I agree. Yeah, it's
We're
very active.
we're already in February, and I think we have Mother Nature to thank for that as well.
Mm-hmm.
So just to give a quick recap of January, we saw about 36 listings, new inventory and new listings.
Yeah, active listings.
So that's up a little bit from a year ago.
Yeah.
Prices, though, which is the real interest of everybody, have been edging up slightly, which is good news. Mm-hmm. Prices, as we talked about in December, are at an all-time high in Wellesley, and
so year over year is 1.7% higher.
Exactly.
Okay.
But what's surprising, or I guess not surprising, is what happened to the days on market. So maybe you want to talk about that a little bit, Ying.
Yeah. By the way, we're talking about the median sales price.
We are correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
So the days on market has become longer. It has increased from last year 9 days from house come to market and contract days to this year is
about
56.
two
Yeah,
months.
about 2 months. It's a big increase.
So if you're thinking about selling your home, it's still a good time to sell. You just might have to be a little more patient than you did about a year ago when the market was acting pretty silly for all intents and purposes.
Right. So Matt, any suggestions you give for the sellers and buyers who is on the market or thinking to be on the market?
Well, we've talked to a lot of agents in-house at Compass, as well as in other brokers, and buyers and sellers we talk to all the time, and it seems like the mood is cautiously optimistic about what's going to happen this spring, and that's what we're really focused on. That's usually the busiest time of year for new housing sales.
Yeah.
So I think everyone's, knock on wood, thinking it's going to be a good year for both buyers and sellers, because the market's become a little more rational with, I guess, demand coming more in line with supply. There's still a shortage, which is really propping up prices, and the reason why we're still continue to see price growth. But in general, I think, and I think you would agree.
Yeah, I agree totally. The supply and demand is the factor driven the market, and we do have the interest rate went down a little bit compared to
You're talking about 30-year, yeah.
30-year fixed.
Yeah, and I think that's a reaction to what the Federal Reserve is kind of slowing up its rate of increase of the federal funds rate, which still expected to increase, but not at the 75 basis point level they were doing largely last year. So.
And the people talking about the recession, we did not say that, so the market is still really
I think
active.
the economic situation is a big question mark right now. So, but right now, notwithstanding what's happened with the economy, and barring any major event, economic or political, I think our outlook is cautiously optimistic.
Yep.
That's the general vibe.
All right.
And I think that's it, right?
Yep. So anybody want to get in touch with you, they will contact you from the information
as well as you.
And Team Coyle.
There you go.
And thank you so much.
All right. You have a great day. Thank you very much.
And like and share with your friends.
Okay.
Thank you.